Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to change audio sources. So if you have multiple audio sources connected to your docking station or your computer, so meaning if you have multiple headphones, multiple microphones, multiple monitor speakers hooked up to your system, you're going to see a lot of different output devices here. Okay, so speakers are always going to be your laptop, okay? Your laptop or your desktop audio sound is Realtek audio. That's the base soundboard. Everything else is going to be external or another internal soundboard, or your monitor has a soundboard, okay? So then your monitor has a monitor icon, has a speaker icon, and it has a headphone icon for headphones. So Microsoft has definitely made it a little bit easier to identify which one is which now. But yeah, so if you're not hearing the sound coming from your speakers or whatever you're trying to listen to, you got to change your audio source so you can make it work, okay? But don't expect connecting to a microphone thinking that the sound's going to go to it. No, it's probably the headphone jack. You need to go to the actual headphones, okay? The headphones of it, then it's going to, work. So that's how you change audio sources on Windows 11. The same thing as 10 and so on and so forth. If you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.